Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set Firefox Beta as your default browser on your mobile device. This is a useful tip for anyone who wants to make Firefox Beta their main browser. First, open the Firefox Beta browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, continue scrolling until you find the option labeled Set as Default Browser and turn it on. Next, a list of available browsers on your device will appear. Choose Firefox Beta from this list to ensure it is set as your default. Finally, tap on Set as Default to confirm your choice. From this point on, all links you click on your mobile device will open in Firefox Beta automatically. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.